pulling into the yard where Rolling Thunder sits right now. It's the Airstream I'll be living in. Demo continues. Making huge progress. Gonna open it up. Make the space this is more modular, more functional, more right now. I would love to be hooking it up to my X5 and just hitting the road right now, getting on to Malibu or something, but first things first. All right.
The sun don't shine in your TV. Listen up and I'll tell a story.